We have two forms that pertain to evaluations. The first form is the notice and consent of initial evaluation. Whenever your child is evaluated, the school needs to get consent from you to go ahead and do that. So we've included that form so you can take a look at it. We've also included an actual evaluation form. It's the multidisciplinary team evaluation form. Now, each school district uses different forms, so what we've kind of got together is the standard form for you to take a look at. Hopefully some explanations that we give you will help when you actually get your multidisciplinary evaluation back. Anyway, there's two forms, so take a look at them.